All right, good morning, traders. Today is October 13th, 2023. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. This is Friday the 13th, options expiration Friday. It could be a volatile day. I'm just going to say that. All right, so my SPY pivot this morning is 433.20. Above it, I'm a bull. Below it, I'm a bear. So SPY did a vicious intraday reversal after knocking on the 438 area 3 or 4 times. Now, it'd be normal for SPY to race back down and check the head and shoulders neckline located at 429 before moving higher. And it's also possible it may go a little bit further than the neckline just to clean out some longer term stop positions. Just saying. I can see a possible 1 hour or 2 hour bearish MMRP on the SPY with you'll see a big red candle on the hourly chart. That would be the igniting move. So by my calculations, the overhead resistance has already been tested. So if we get I'm looking to see if we're going to get 3 hourly so we'll see if we get 3 hourly price advancement candles or 3 2-hour price advancement candles. Now this will be the first intraday MMRP that runs into the next day, so I have no idea how this may play out. We'll see what happens, and it may just be a huge shakeout and there's no MMRP at all. All right, FNGU, QQQ, UNG, and SMH remain in their new daily uptrends. GLD and SLV, silver and gold, remain in their new daily downtrends. SPY, IWM, and DIA, that would be Diamond Dow, Russell 2000, and S&P 500, still in their hourly uptrends within their daily downtrends. U.S. dollar index is consolidating at the 106 level. Had a nice pop yesterday, went all the way back to 106.50. All right, so let's go take a look at some charts. First chart, daily chart of the SPY. All right, you see the big red candle here. Here's the hourly chart. There's our 1 hour right there. 1 hour igniting bar wipes out all of this price action right through here. Okay? So all of that got wiped out. And you get your pause candle. Now your check of overhead resistance. Okay, so that's going to be this area. I'm going to put the crosshairs up. Right up through there. All right? You can see where the tail already checked it. 434.42. Now I'm looking for 3 1 hour, minimum of 3 1 hour price advancement candles making lower highs and lower lows, moving toward the neckline. Doesn't have to make it to the neckline, but moving toward the neckline. So we'll look for, let me trash that, get rid of that, get my drawing tools, pick up this, find the reds. So looking for a red candle to come in here, a red candle to come in here, and another red candle to come in here. That's the type of pattern I'm looking for. 3 more candles moving price, advancing price to the downside. That's what I'm looking for. Doesn't mean that's what I'm going to get. It very well could just rip all the way back up north, and this was just nothing more than a big shakeout before they went to the 438 area. So we'll see what happens. So there's SPY. All right, let's take a look at QQQ. Let's go back to SPY just for a minute. So where is the neckline? So if we zoom out, you can see this is our left shoulder. This is our right shoulder. Here's the neckline right here. All right, so you can see this neckline and this anchored VWAP at the low, this pullback low right here, line up right here at 429. See that? 429 in the anchored VWAP and the neckline. So I wouldn't doubt it if they run it a little bit further just to clean out some stops before moving higher. So we'll see what happens. But there's the neckline. And let's see if I can get you an exact number. Neckline currently at 428.82. Anchored VWAP currently at 429.05. So let's just call it 429. All right. Now I'll go back to QQQ. All right, QQQ was in a new daily uptrend, higher lows and higher highs. So QQQ still in that daily uptrend, although it did hit resistance. See the overhead resistance right here? So it got to the other side of the channel again. Now here's the neckline that needs to be broken by the bears. They still have not been able to break the neckline. Yeah, there was a neckline here. Right there. Now that neckline was broken. But this one down here has not. So QQQ still in a daily uptrend, attacking the downtrend line. Bulls need to break that. And you can see they kind of gave up a little bit yesterday. It may be that they need to come down here and pick up some energy before moving higher. So there's QQQ. Currently in a new daily uptrend, but still underneath the longer term downtrend line. Let's take a look at FNGU. FNGU, new daily uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. Still in a downtrend overall, but a new daily uptrend. So it's a weekly downtrend, QQQ weekly downtrend, but we have daily uptrends. All right, SMH, same thing. We have a weekly downtrend, but a new daily uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. Nice candle on SMH yesterday. Look at that. Nothing red on that one. All right, so we have a uptrend, new daily uptrend, weekly downtrend. That's SMH. Diamond Dow. Here's Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow still in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. On the hourly time frame, we have a hourly uptrend. Higher low, higher high. Still in an hourly uptrend within the daily downtrend. Same thing for SPY. All right, higher low, higher high. Okay, same thing happening. Hourly uptrend, daily downtrend. Okay, let's take a look at, excuse me, Russell 2000. Russell 2000, we have, let's take a look at the daily first. Daily downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Hourly chart, this isn't going to be pretty. We have a higher low and a higher high. But yet again, we've started a new hourly downtrend with a lower high and a lower low. So IWM in a new hourly downtrend within the daily downtrend. Okay, so the hourly downtrend has been broken right now. Now, it may set up a higher low for the daily chart right here, and we could have a new daily uptrend beginning to form if that winds up being the higher low. And then it'll have to run up and make another higher high. So there's IWM. Let's take a look at silver and gold. All right, silver and gold, new daily downtrend for silver and gold. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, silver. Gold, lower highs, lower lows. Another lower high. New daily downtrend for gold. Silver, same thing. USL, still in a daily uptrend. All right, it's moved up, made a higher low, made a higher high, made another higher high, made another higher low, made another higher high. Now we got a lower low, but it's still a higher low than this one, so it's still in a daily uptrend. You can see USO, I'd like to see it consolidate here between 85 and 75. That would be normal. UNG has started new daily uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. So new daily uptrend, trying to break out of the channel, which is right here. Good move for UNG, made it up over 750. Like to see it consolidate there for a couple weeks and then start grinding up at the overhead resistance around $8 and $8.50. So there's UNG. Let's take a look at the transports. We have lower highs. Have a lower high and lower lows. Lower high, lower low. So transports in a daily downtrend, but on the hourly chart, we have a higher low and a higher high. And it looks like we may start a new hourly downtrend again. We'll see. We have not, has not triggered yet. See, we have got equal highs here. Possibly a new daily uptrend starting, just like the one in Diamond Dow. So what we got is an hourly uptrend at this time in the daily downtrend. Let's take a look at XLF. All right, so here's XLF on the daily chart. And we've got lower highs and lower lows. And lower highs and lower lows. But on the hourly chart, we have higher lows and higher highs. It's in jeopardy of possibly starting a new hourly downtrend. We do have some big earnings coming out this morning. We'll see what happens if things get whipped around a little bit. Got a slightly lower high there and a slightly lower low there. So we'll see what happens if they're starting a new hourly downtrend. So let's take a look at, excuse me guys and girls. Let's take a look at the US dollar. So here's the US dollar. Nice move up. Pull back to the 105.50 level. And now grinding it back up. Just consolidating between 107.50 and 105.50. So looking at consolidation here for the US dollar index. Okay. Economic calendar today, nothing but consumer sentiment at 10, Fed speaker at 9. import-export prices at 8:30. Earnings calendar. Well, come on. All right, we'll do another one. That's all right. Not sure why this is doing this the second time. Chrome just doesn't seem to want to work today. Well, that's going to be it for right now. Chrome froze up on me, so I'm going to have to stop the recording right here. But I'll take questions in the room as soon as I get this cleared up.